Earth is flat, and this is why your entire perception of the world is about to shift. Okay, stay with me. We've all been told the Earth spins at 1,000 miles per hour, zooms around the sun at 66,600 miles per hour, and rockets through space chasing the sun at nearly 500,000 miles per hour. Wild, right? But let me ask you this. If we're spiraling through the universe at such insane speeds, how does Polaris, the North Star, remain perfectly fixed in the night sky? Let's break this down. Imagine you're on a roller coaster, twisting, turning, and speeding in every direction. Would you expect to see the same object outside the ride, completely still every single time? Of course not. Yet Polaris stays in the same spot, as if the Earth isn't moving at all. Think about it. If Earth were truly hurtling through space, wouldn't the position of stars shift constantly? Astronomers call this stellar parallax, but with Polaris, there's no noticeable change. It's like the sky is static, not the chaotic swirl we've been told. Here's a simpler explanation. Maybe the Earth isn't spinning at all. Maybe it's stationary, and everything we've learned about its movement is, well, up for debate. A stationary Earth perfectly explains why Polaris doesn't budge. Now let's talk about compasses. They always point north, right? It's like they're obsessed with the North Pole. East and west? Those are just directions based on north. But what happens when you head south? Traveling east or west is easy. You'll eventually circle back to your starting point, no problem. But heading south? That's where it gets interesting. Some say if you keep going far enough south, you'll encounter an ice wall. Yes, an ice wall. This so-called ice wall is said to surround everything. And here's the kicker. Beyond that wall, who knows what's out there? Some believe there's more land, maybe even answers to questions we're not supposed to ask. Here's the thing. These mysteries aren't just about stars or compasses. They're about understanding our place in the universe. What if the story we've been told isn't the whole story? So, what's beyond the ice wall? More land? More secrets? Or perhaps something we can't even comprehend? The truth is, we won't know unless we start asking questions. And maybe that's the point, to keep us focused on what's comfortable and familiar, rather than exploring the unknown.